What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite YouTube content creators. Let's get right into it. So number 5 on my list is T3.gg, aka Theo. Theo is a CEO of his own company called Ping.gg. He is very influential and popular in Twitter. He talks a lot about React server components, Tailwind, TypeScript, and Next.js. He is highly opinionated who doesn't like unit testing, who doesn't like Git rebasing, or switching to Rust for no good reason. Although his content is pretty ranty, he has his own channel for doing a lot of rants, and he's just an amazing content creator. He runs also another company called Upload Thing, which is recently doing a lot of buzz. And also he's the inventor of the T3 stack, which he started and the community created an open source stack out of it. That's amazing. He's number 5 on the list. Number 4 on my list is Blue Collar Coder, also known as Jack Herrington. Jack is an amazing content creator. He has a great voice that helps his content to be easily followed along. He's known for his React courses and also TypeScript courses that he has online. He's also one of the most React enthusiasts out there, and he talks a lot about React optimizations. He takes the feedback from his viewers so seriously, and he changes his content according to the feedback he's gotten. He started doing a lot of short videos now, which is also refreshing, and it's always nice to see when he plays around with a lot of Pokemon APIs. His videos are pretty long, which is not a big deal, but sometimes it's kind of distracting, but overall he's an amazing guy. At number 3 we have Fireship. I mean, who doesn't love Fireship? Fireship is an amazing content creator. I don't know the name of this guy, but if you know, please let me know in the comments. Fireship is known for his quirky content where he covers a lot of topics in less than 100 seconds. He's known for his code reports, and he's known for his like quirky gifs that he uses in his content. That is very humorous and funny. He's got over like 2.14 million subscribers, and he is among the he's one of the top most subscribed YouTube channels who's creating content for tech. So he's number 3 on the list. At number 2 we have ThePrimeagen. Again, I don't know the name of this guy, so if you know, please let me know in the comments. Primogen is one of the most funniest and hilarious content creator who's out there. He is known for his passion about Rust and Vim, and he talks a lot about Rust and Vim. He doesn't talk a lot about TypeScript, but also he sort of like jokes about TypeScript, and he always thinks that Rust is better than TypeScript for no apparent reason. So Primogen has a second channel which is called Prime Reacts, and he reacts to a lot of tech videos, which is absolutely hilarious. He's known for his like spontaneous content where he just creates content without too much effort, and it's always often hilarious. So he's number 2 on the list. Before we see who's first on the list, I would like to mention some creators who are basically as good as the others. First on that list is Kevin Powell. He is absolutely a CSS guru. He is known for his short videos where he teaches a lot of CSS tricks, and he just makes CSS lovable again. CodeDamn. CodeDamn, I have not seen a lot of his videos, but he is really good at reviewing tech. And he does a lot of like clear and well explained videos that will help you sort of try out the technologies that he's speaking about. I guess he's from India, and he's very much loved in India. So he's also made the special mentions. The next special mention is Dev Agarwal. Dev is an up-and-comer who's pretty new to this content creation, and he's not got a lot of videos actually, but he's very good at clearly explaining a certain topic and make you fall in love with that topic. He's very vocal in Twitter. He's a developer advocate himself, and he is actually a fanboy of Theo. So he's made a special mention. The last special mention is the coding train. Coding Train solves a lot of algorithmic problems on air, spontaneously without preparing for it. People who likes to solve like data structures and algorithm problems will love his content. So do check him out. Number 1 on my list is Matt Pocock. Matt Pocock is the TypeScript wizard. He's the TypeScript guru. He's so good at TypeScript. He has his own book called Total TypeScript, where he does a lot of TypeScript courses. He has a free tier and also a paid tier. He's an amazing TypeScript instructor and a developer advocate. He worked at Vercel and quit his job to do Total TypeScript, and now he's crossed over 1 million in sales. I just love his explanatory videos where he covers a lot of nuances in TypeScript, and his free courses and his free workshops are really amazing, and that is why he's number 1 on the list. TypeScript guru Matt Pocock. So that was it, guys. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I attached all the channels in the description right below. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. I'll see you next time soon in a different video.